Hello. Today we have two long division problems to solve. We need to split 785 into groups of 3, and then split 8675 into groups of 15. Let's start with the first one. Let's set up our first problem. We write the big number, 785, inside the division house, and the small number, 3, goes on the outside. Look at the first number, 7. How many times does 3 fit into 7? It fits 2 times because 2 times 3 is 6. We take away 6 from 7 and get 1. Then we bring down the 8 to make 18. Now, how many times does 3 fit into 18? It fits exactly 6 times because 6 times 3 is 18. We take away 18 and get 0. Then we bring down the 5. Last step, how many times does 3 fit into 5? It fits 1 time because 1 times 3 is 3. We take away 3 from 5 and get 2 left over. That 2 is our remainder. Problem A is done. 785 split into groups of 3 gives us 261, with 2 left over. Great job. Now let's do the second problem. We put 8675 inside the division house and 15 on the outside. Can 15 fit into 8? No, 8 is too small. So we look at the first two numbers together, 86. 15 fits into 86 5 times because 5 times 15 is 75. Take away 75 from 86 and we get 11. Bring down the 7 to make 117. How many times does 15 fit into 117? Let's think, 7 times 15 is 105. That fits. Take away 105 from 117 and we get 12. Now bring down the 5 to make 125. Last step, how many times does 15 fit into 125? 8 times 15 is 120. Take away 120 from 125 and we get 5 left over. That is our remainder. Problem C is done. 8675 split into groups of 15 gives us 578, with 5 left over. Here are both our answers together. You did an amazing job working through these long divisions. Remember, just go one digit at a time and it's easy.